I'm a world changer, feminist, heterosexual, and human alien hybrid. I'm one of the best trusted advisors here on planet Earth, and I'm definitely a biological son of Yahweh from heaven. That's right, I'm definitely a biological son of God, so I'm definitely good, and with Jesus Christ from heaven most definitely being my biological stepbrother, which my good friend Melania Trump, former First Lady of the United States of America, and her team will definitely confirm. So definitely call them on the telephone for their accurate and unbiased evaluation of me, because they know me and my work very, very well. And I have a few good friends from present New World Order who are TS75, which is a far, far higher level of an alpha black current security clearance than that of the President of the United States of America. So guess what, guys and women? I suppose this video post here is about the future of pharma and how, if you're a pharma executive, either on a pharma corporate board or on a pharma executive team, you most definitely want to be mining all or many of the wizardry magic potions, because there's something like more than 1 million wizardry magic potions within wizardry universe, stored secretly within wizardry universities and stored secretly within the most powerful wizardry guilds, I'm saying. And you also want to, I suppose, and turning those with magic potions. So first of all, identifying the active ingredients of each magic potion, as to why it works, as to why it creates the power benefit it creates, I'm saying, from being able to understand, I suppose, and then to be turning those active ingredients from the Wizard Magic Potions into standardized pharmaceutical treatments. And you also want to, once you've worked out how to do it, I suppose, to then be scrambling, I suppose, to be creating international patents, I suppose, for those for pharmaceuticals created from the more than 1 million wizardry magic potions, I suppose. And also then to be working hard to be guessing those wizardry magic potions through clinical trials, and then to be being approved by the FDA for use on humans in United States of America, and also to be produced by other healthcare regulating bodies within other countries, within Western democracies on planet Earth. So I do think that the use, I suppose, of pharma, of wizardry magic potions to be mined by farm business, I'm saying, and then converted into standardized pharmaceutical treatments, I'm saying, is going to be one of the next generations of pharma treatments, I'm saying, just like also the mining of the more than 1 million wizardry magic spells, I suppose, which wizardry universities carefully keep the detailed methods for. I'm saying, just like also other wizardry. So that's wizardry universities, and also the leading wizardry guilds. I'm saying uh, have the instructions on how to create those more than 1 million wizard magic spells, I'm saying. And I do think that, especially for the wizard magic spells, I'm saying, that the farm business, I'm saying, would be working very hard and scrambling, I suppose, to be getting as many of them within international patents, I'm saying, because they don't require any work, I suppose, for the wizard magic spells. I'm saying they just need to, I suppose, have the method provided by the wizard universities and provided by the wizardry and or provided by the wizard guilds. I'm saying, to be powerfully turned into international patents. I'm saying, obviously, I'm saying the wizards would still be allowed to conduct their activities. I'm saying, free of any patent infringement. I'm saying, within their work, I suppose, within those wizardry universities, within those wizardry guilds. I'm saying, but I suppose this is more only, I suppose, for people, I suppose, who are using those wizardry magic potions converted into pharmaceuticals, and also for the wizard magic spells, I'm saying, within the highly regulated healthcare industries within Western democracies, I suppose. So I do think it's going to, I suppose, be creating a huge, almost like a renaissance, I suppose, within the pharma industry. I'm saying, with all these huge numbers of wizardry magic potions, more than 1 million, I suppose, converted into wizardry magic spells, converted into standardized pharmaceuticals, I suppose, and also with I suppose the wizardry magic spells, I'm saying, being eventually, I suppose, utilized, I suppose, via wizardry healthcare professionals, I suppose, wizardry doctors, I suppose, who have a accreditation as a medical doctor, while also having completed accreditation within wizardry help for healthcare. I'm saying, to be able to deliver these wizardry magic spells, I'm saying, to help, I suppose, to help people, I suppose, within the highly regulated health industries, I'm saying. And I do think, I suppose, that, so I suppose if you, yes, so I suppose I guess I'm saying is this is going to be huge, I suppose. I do believe there will be a number of Nobel prizes awarded for these new pharma treatments, which will be operating within parallel, I'm saying, to existing pharma treatments, I'm saying, with new developed business models, I'm saying. And yeah, so I do think it's going to be quite huge. I'm saying there's going to be a lot of money for farm business to be making, I suppose, utilising these new next generation, I suppose, in pharma treatments, I'm saying. So it's going to be huge, I suppose, and also especially with the new introduction of performance enhancement wizardry treatments, which I do think, I suppose, is potentially, I suppose, the evolution, I suppose, of the healthcare industry, I'm saying, because when it comes to healthcare business models, not everyone gets sick. And when people get sick, it often doesn't last for very long. I suppose with these new wizardry healthcare treatments, especially for performance enhancement, we can be having pretty much the entire population within the mass market, or at least everyone who's money, I suppose, to, I suppose, be purchasing, I suppose, these wizardry performance enhancement treatments, I suppose, and getting their IQ to be massively increased, I'm saying, possibly to an IQ of 1 million IQ points or more, if they can afford it, I suppose, and possibly also having these wizardry treatments also make them very lucky, I suppose. If they're very wealthy, I suppose, it can also even be enabling for them to receive via the wizard magic spells, I'm saying, receive very powerful special abilities, I'm saying, if they can afford it, I suppose. So I do think, I suppose, going to be potentially creating a renaissance within a human civilization on planet Earth and beyond, I suppose I'm saying, because of the power of these wizardry magic spells for doing good, I suppose, within the highly regulated health industry. So guess what, guys and women, I suppose, I am someone who is very excited, I suppose, about this future of pharma and future of healthcare, in particular to do with the use of wizardry within its performance enhancement capacity, I suppose, within the highly regulated healthcare industries within Western democracies. I'm excited. Let's bring it on. Super, super.